What up, YouTube? It's been about a while. I've been gone for a minute. Yeah, so I'm back. Got new video gear, new lighting, new camera, and a new microphone. So I hope the audio, the camera, the quality is better now. Let me start by saying sorry that it took a while for me to configure everything. The reasoning about that is I'm a very analytic guy. So first I find out what I need, and I find out how expensive it is. Then I find out how I can lower the price, or what precisely I need for more of the components. So yeah, so I wanted to bring this video out so that you guys know that yeah, technical issues going further now. I have new stuff, so I'm gonna try to make videos every week or weekend in between my work schedule. My work schedule varies every now and then. So yeah, for all the people that watched all the videos I already made, and the people that commented, thank you. People that liked the video, thank you. It gives somebody, it gives them motivation, because the YouTube thing is a little bit hard, because it's a very convoluted spot now. YouTube, everybody wants to carve their own bases or their own people in YouTube. So yeah, I hope I can make my own community here for people that are thinking of buying stuff, but getting good information about what they're buying, how they're buying it, and if I have technical issues with that stuff. So yeah, again, thank you for the support, and it's good to be back, and I hope I can make you guys proud again and make some great quality videos. I'm from Holland, let me say that, because my English is great. The crazy thing is my mother language is English, because my parents come from an English colony. But I've lived so long in Holland that I can hear it in my accent, and I can hear it in the certain words and choices that I use to speak. So my excuse if that is, I don't know, offending to you, or that you don't like that, but that's how I talk, and I hope I get better in it. But now I'm just trying to make the best for what I've got. So yeah, thank you, and I wish you all a great technical experience. Bye.